Hi everyone, welcome back to the Adore Beauty YouTube channel. My name is Chloe and I'm from the customer experience team here at Adore Beauty. Today I'm going to be showing you two ways to do eyeliner for hooded eyelids. So liner for hooded lids can be a struggle, right? Too thick, your eyes look so panderish and so dark. And if your wing looks a bit weird, your eyes get lopsided. It's just difficult. I remember in high school when I was first looking to do a winged liner, I scoured the internet for tips and tricks and videos and I followed them to a T, right? But guess what? It didn't work out for me because my eyelids didn't look like that. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you two ways. One will be with a felt tip liner. This is like a texture, super easy. And the other one is a powder, kind of more natural type of look. So for the type of liner that you'll use, you'll have to go through a lot of trial and error to find which one works best for you and which one, you know, is easier for you. I highly recommend the felt tip ones just because it's so easy to control. It's really like a texture. Gel and liquid, I just don't like the way that the liquid liner sets. With gel, I find that it can smudge a little bit up here and I have oily skin, so she's just not my best friend. So with eyeliner, slow and steady wins a race. Don't rush, this is art. First, you want to kind of shake up your liner just to ensure that all the pigment is running to the felt tip. And essentially what I'm doing on my eyes is I am dashing it like this. Dash, dash. And when I see that I'm happy with where the line is going, I kind of press down a bit harder and create a solid line. For hooded lids, the first step is look directly at a mirror and kind of take note of where your skin folds over. So as you can see, my skin folds over here and I kind of want to leave a 3 to 4 millimeter line where my skin is visible. I find it really handy when you have a mirror like kind of at a weird angle to your face. You're able to see your lash line and eyelids a lot more. I like to start from the inner corners. So what I'm doing is dashing, dashing, dashing. And I'm happy with that line, so I'll go in. I stop my liner about right here and then I begin to work on my flick. So with the flick, you want to follow your waterline up. And this just creates a nice elongated open illusion with your eyes. So as you can see, I only did a small little line. Draw a triangle like so. Do you see that? And then all we're going to do is color in that triangle. And notice how I never go back out to my flick. My first initial flick, I just leave it as is, just so it's nice and sharp. And after that, you just want to connect your wing liner to your flick. How easy was that, right? And as you can see, it just opened up my eyes a little bit more. It elongated my eyes. I love. Next technique, this technique, the shadow powder one, I love it because it's natural. It's smoky and it's super easy to do. For my friends with lash extensions, it's easier to apply and it's easier to wash off too. And you need to be washing your eyelash extensions. Otherwise, don't bloody get them. I use a little angled brush just like this and any black pigment will do. I'm using the Soft Glam by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've had this palette for forever, it feels like. I pat my angle brush down like this. Don't dip in straight with your brush. You want to pat it like that and tip out the excess just because you want to create a nice fine tip with the angled brush. So look at this line, look at the line that it creates. Beautiful, love, amazing. Remember to tap the excess just because you don't want black pigment falling all over your cheeks. So with this method, I like to start at the outer corners just because when you work your way in, it is a bit more forgiving than the felt tip liner. All I'm doing is, again, I'm following my waterline, like so. As you can see, I'm drawing a very thin line following up with my waterline, and then I'm just drawing a triangle from the outer corner of my lashes to connect it to that line. So there we have our lovely triangle, and then I'm going to dip my brush in a bit more to get some more pigment, and I'm going to color it in. Makeup is literally just arts and crafts, but for your face. And after I'm done with my triangle, I'm doing little short dashes and working my way towards the inner corner of my eyes. Afterwards, I like to smudge it out just to make it a bit more natural. And then to complete the look, I'm brushing out my lashes. And there you go. And that was all from me today. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you are on your eyeliner journey, be patient with yourself. You got this. Practice makes perfect. And just remember that it's easier to put on pigment than it is to take it off. But you know, if you do a little oopsie, then a Q-tip and some masala water will be freaking amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. We'll be answering them. For more videos from us, click over here.